And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Good evening for our viewers. It's NU versus Adamson for our UAAP category. And our referee for tonight is Referee Apatan and Referee Manuel. First five on NU. First five on Adamson. It's 5 versus 9. Patakin mo sila.
Kailangan pa talaga pag basic na yun, kailangan ko sabihin.
Kalimutan natin.
Fernandez, Sumalde, Peralta, Ana, Alba.
First game, first match. It's NU versus Adamson.
Ingatan mo yan!
For our UAAP category of Basketballista. O, takin tayo, takin.
19, sino na 19? Anong pilya na?
Tour.
Tour, 19.
Okay. First position up, the kick ball. It's Adamson ball, Adamson. And we'd like to thank our sponsors, TUI, Abu Dhabi, the Inkers, Basketballista, and Color Sport. This first basket of Adamson by Navarro. Now Kalatuche, drive, kick out pass. Sumale, rebound on Navarro. Now Navarro. Selling a play. It's Navarro for Adamson. Navarro pass downside to Tour. Tour intercepted the Tour. Now it's Alba. Same ball. 9 to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. It's Navarro. Same spot. Navarro. Back-to-back shot by Navarro. It's 4-0. All by Navarro. It's Adamson again and you. Now Kalatuche. Looking for Alba. Alba pick. Back to Kalatuche. Kalatuche guarded. Nice steal again by Benmodes. 3-on-1. No! Turnover against Adamson. Sampila yan.
Sumalde.
Now Kalatuche, 1-1 by Datu. Kalatuche, signature shot, short. Rebound on Tor, Tor. Looking for Navarro. Baseball pass, steal on Alba. Alba now, it's Alba. Guarded by Datu. Alba, 1-1 by Datu. Alba, coast to coast. It's Alba, out Anas. Yes on Anas. 2-4. It's 2-point lead on Adamson. Now Navarro. Datu. 14 to shoot. Tour. Drive. Block by Sumale. Steal by Abdulaziz. Now 7 minutes and 40. Tour. 1-1. Ganda Kache. Bermoles. Drive. Stop. Nice move. In and out. Rebound now on Kalatache. It's 3-on-3. Kalatuche, stop. Nice move. Kalatuche, ball. Kalatuche. Yes, on Kalatuche. All four. It's our first deadlock of the game. It's Adamson against NU. Now Navarro. Navarro time. It's Navarro too strong. Rebound by Tor. Yes, on Tor. 6-4. Back to 2-point lead on Adamson. Now Anas. Pass to Kalatuche. Looking for it's foul. Foul on number 19 on tour. First on tour. First team foul against Adamson. Now Kalatuche. Signature shot. Too strong. Rebound on Abdulaziz. Dato. Steal by Kalatuche. 1-1 move by Kalatuche. Looking for Peralta. Peralta drive. Too strong. Rebound again on Abdulaziz. Now Dato. It's Dato guarded by Alba. Dato now. Dato 1-1. Looking for Tur. Back to Dato. Dato probe. Dato is foul. Foul on Peralta. First all personal foul on Peralta. First team foul against LU. 2 free throw shot for Dato. It's 0-2, Anas. Now Alba. Pass to Kalatuche. Big Kalatuche move. Bang! Kalatuche. All 6. 4th leg of the game. It's 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Now Datu. Look for Tur. Downside to Navarro. Bang! Basket count and 1 on Navarro. Foul on Anas. First on Anas. Second team foul against LU. Short. Rebound on Peralta to Anas.
Anas, coast to coast.
Back to now, Kalatuche. Guarded by Bermones. Kalatuche, 14 to shoot. 1-1. Kalatuche, nice downside. It's Peralta. Peralta guarded by too strong top. Navarro. It's Dato. Now Dato drive, Dato haring Dato, too strong, top, rebound on Kalatuche. 3-on-1. Kalatuche, signature shot, short top, rebound again Kalatuche. It's Kalatuche, bang! Kalatuche. Bermones, drive, block by Peralta. 1-on-1 again, fake, looking for Dato. Dato, short, Tur now, fake. Black foul. Foul again on Peralta. Second on Peralta, 13 foul and you. 2 free throw shot for Tur. 9-8. It's a 1-point lead on Adamson. Short. Violation. It's violation. Now Anas. To Kalatuche. Alba for 3. Bang, bang, bang! On Alba. Now it's 2-point lead on NU. 11-9. And the 3-point shot is brought to you by Chooks to go. Nice steal again on Alba. It's Alba. Kalatuche, let Miller. Kalatuche, it's time out. On Adamson, it's 13 to 9. A 4-point lead on NU. Timeout is brought to you by Basketballista, Color Sports, TUI, Abu Dhabi. And number one, Manok ng Bayan, Chooks to go. And still we're live on the Facebook page. Basketballista is Adamson against NU for our UAAP category. Now Dato, it's guarded by Anas. Dato drive, looking for the Hitman Navarro. The Hitman now, the Hitman Navarro short. Hitman again. The Hitman fake. Hitman foul. Foul on number 25 on Sumalde. It's warning for penalty on NU. First on Sumalde. 2 free throw shot for the Hitman Navarro. First shot, 10-13. It's 1-1 out of 2. Coming from the Hitman. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Only 3-point lead on NU. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Calatuche! 16-10. It's a 6-point lead on NU. Dato to Bermudez. Back to Dato. Dato is looking for Tor. Short. Rebound on the Hitman. Navarro. The Hitman Navarro. Bang! Easy shot from the Hitman Navarro. Now Calatuche again. Guarded by Dato. 1-1. Calatuche. No. Crossover pass. Calatuche side step. Looking for Peralta. Kick out pass to Alba. Bang! 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 On Alba. 19-12. It's a 7-point lead on NU. Now Dato. Back to hit the Hitman. Bermudez. Big drive. Bermudez escape. Yes, on Bermudez. It's 14-19. It's a 5-point lead on NU. Now Calatuche. Guarded by Dato. Calatuche pass again. Sumalde. Sumalde goes to coast. Yes, on Sumalde. Now 21-14. 1 minute and 10.
Nagkasya po sila lahat.
Tour, drive. Nice defense. It's rumbling violation by Tour. Nice defense on Alba. 1 minute. Calatuche, 1-1 by Tornado. Calatuche, side step, nice pass outside. Fake, Alba, walang padded drive, short, rebound on Abdulaziz to Bermudez. Tour. It's Tour now, guarded by Alba. Tour, drive, nice defense by Peralta. Anas, it's jump ball. Adamson ball, Adamson. 25 seconds. 21. Against 14. All 7-point lead by NU. It's Adamson ball. Adamson kick ball tayo nga. First position tayo. Adamson ball. It's Adamson ball. Kick ball tayo dapat. Now the Hitman. All alone. The Hitman again. Hitman again. Rebound. The Hitman is fouled. Foul on number 25. It's now NUN penalty.
Second Sumalde.
Second on Sumalde. Number 8. Foul on number 8.
Peralta.
On Peralta.
Peralta third.
Third again on Peralta. Again, in and out by the Hitman. It's foul. It's second team foul on Adamson. First on Abdulaziz.
Second team. Aywa, 3 points.
Short.
2 points.
Nice defense on Abdulaziz. Dato. Now to Tour.
Sorry.
Rebound on Anas. It's 5 seconds. Anas defense. Hitman again. The Hitman foul. Foul on number 14 ng Calatuche. Penalty na penalty.
Calatuche first.
First on Calatuche. 1 second. 2 free throw shot for the Hitman.
Aba.
1 second.
Thank you.
And for first quarter, our score is 21 against 14. Second quarter, ready tayo rep. Second quarter.
Yung pen ko hindi ko nadala, Boss Mike. Galing France pa yun. Huwag mong papamigay sa iba. Ha?
Second quarter rep.
Sa part-time ko yun. Hiningi ko nga lang yun.
And you ball.
Yeah, Joshua na lang, Joshua.
Joshua.
Kasi hindi pa nakalaro yan.
3. Yalla, delaying the game, guys. Larny Abdulaziz.
Go 9. 9.
Okay lang, basta siya last.
Now, Kalatuche. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Kalatuche. Now, 10-point lead on Yanyu. Tour. Pass to Lee.
Best player.
Black by. Now it's Tour. Outside is Rara Rabaya. Too strong on Rara Rabaya. Now Kalatuche time. It's nice defense on Manzano. Big. Peralta. Too strong. Rebound on Manzano. It's Manzano. Nice move. Too strong. Rebound by Tour. Black by Peralta.
Here.
Now Kalatuche.
Ryzen.
Kalatuche now. Looking for a teammate. Looking for Ryzen. Too strong. Rebound on Samoy. Oh, Jeffrey is troubling violation. Nice defense on Salas. 8 minutes and 40 seconds. 24 against 10. 10-point lead by NU. And we'd like to thank our sponsors. It's TUI, Abu Dhabi, Salas. Kick out pass to Samoy. Samoy, open jump. Bang! On Samoy. 26-14. It's a 12-point lead now, NU. Lee. Looking for Rabaya. Let me do it, Rabaya. 16-26 now, back to 10-point lead on NU. Now, Kalatuche. Setting a play, Kalatuche to Samoy. Back to Kalatuche. Now, Kalatuche looking for Salas now. Salas, take the shoot. Ryzen, open jump. Yes, on Ryzen. 28-16. It's a 4-point lead now, NU.
Wala shot.
Manzano. Jeffrey. Move short. Rebound on Samoy. It's now Salas. Salas looking for Kalatuche. Too strong. Intercepted. Now Tour to Manzano. Manzano now. Manzano, let me do it. Manzano. Kalatuche. Signature shot. Too strong. Peralta. Fake. Pass. Now Manzano. It's 1-1. Oh, Manzano again to Lee. Lee now. Drive. Looking for Rabaya. 20-28. It's an 8-point lead now, NU. Kalatuche. Looking for Salas. Too strong. Samoy rebound. It's Samoy Black by Rabaya. 14 to shoot. Timeout left. Timeout on NU. Our timeout is brought to you by Color Sports. Basketballista. 6 to go. And Mang Inasal, Abu Dhabi. And we'd like to thank our viewers for tonight. Thank you for watching. It's De La Cruz Anthony.
Ikaw magunuli. Nor, wala ang velo. Ikaw mag-press.
Crisanto.
Jeffrey, ikaw sa ilalim ha.
And Suelas. 5 minutes and 39 seconds. 14 seconds sa clock, 14. Nice block coming from Rabaya. Salas. Same spot. Too short. Rebound on Samoy. Samoy escape. Samoy again too strong. Top by Tour. It's Ryzen. Peralta now. To Salas. Salas. Bang! On Salas.
Trante, hindi Peralta.
It's Pinatrante, not Peralta. 5 minutes. Now Lee, 31-20.
51.
Manzano. Short, too strong. Raboya again. Raboya, it's Samoy. Samoy to Salas. 3-2. Salas, let me do it. Back to Kalache. Kalache now. Kalache signature shot. Short, top, rebound again. It's Adam short ball. 4 minutes and 47 seconds. Second quarters, first game. It's Adamson versus NU. Now Lee.
Mga bola.
Manzano. Nice fake. Manzano. It's rubbing violation on Manzano. Nice defense on NU. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Now Salas. Looking for Kalatache. Let me trip. Bang! Nothing but net. Coming from Kalatache.
3-3.
34-20.
Tatatlo na siya.
It's a 14-point lead now, NU. Lee, short, rebound on Raboya. It's Raboya. 22-34. It's a 12-point lead on NU. Kalatuche, looking for Salas. Salas for 2 short. Rebound on Manzano. It's Manzano now. Manzano guarded by Salas. Nice defense by Salas. Salas stop. Is it 8? 3-on-2. 4-on-1. Samoy now. Nice defense again by Raboya. It's 3-on-2. Lee guarded by Raisin. Lee. Bang! Ole! 34-24. It's a 10-point lead, NU.
Reserve timeout.
Kalatuche, fake. Kalatuche looking for Salas. Samoy, open jump, elbow jumper, too strong. Rebound on Jeffrey. Now it's Manzano. Manzano now, nice pass downside to Lee. 26 against 34. It's an 8-point lead now, NU.
Adjust kayo, adjust. Restore.
Now Kalatuche. Looking for Salas. Back to Kalatuche. Nice kitchen pass to Penitante. Penitante to Samoy. Oh, now again, steal by Raboya. Now Manzano. Manzano now. Side step. Looking for Tour. Yes, on Tour. Now 28 against 234. It's a 6-point lead on NU. Now Kalatuche. Looking for Salas. Back to Kalatuche.
Bang.
Short, Samoy. 14 to set shot clock, 2 minutes. Now Kalatuche, 10 to shoot. Too strong. Here's Lee. Now Lee, sending play. Now Raboya. To bang! Basket count and 1 on Jeffrey. Foul on Kalatuche. Second on Kalatuche. Second personal foul on Kalatuche. First on NU. 30-34. 1 minute and 48 seconds.
Wala, apat na lang.
Rebound on Samoy. It's Kalatuche. Pero Salas foul. Foul on Lee. Timeout on Adamson. It's a timeout is brought to you by Color Sports, Basket Pelista, Stitch Love Tailoring, Chooks to Go, and Agnok Gas and Distribution, Abu Dhabi.
Adno, Aldar.
Back to the ball game. It's 1 minute 39 seconds on our second quarter. It's Adamson versus NU for our UAAP match category of Basketballista.
Pizza, bola nila.
Time to shoot.
Ay,
Jeffrey. Sa Kalatuche. Salas. Too strong. Top. Now it's Penitante. Racing now. Drive. Side step. Raise and let it try to throw. Rebound on Calatache. Fake. Calatache against short. Rebound on Jeffrey. 1 minute and 10. Lee. There's something that Brizante. Samoy. Calatache. 2 on 1.
Alas! Do deep!
Again. Rebound on tour. 55 seconds. Manzano. Foul.
Sila. Bawi.
Foul on number 16 on Samoy.
Samoy for second.
First on Samoy, it's second team foul against NU. $53 seconds.
Bagsad.
This is just our first game, first match for our UAAP category. It's Adamson against NU. Short. 31 to 34. It's a 3-point lead now, NU. 40 seconds.
Adjust. Lapit.
Rebound on Jeffrey. Now Lee. Nice hit steal by Calatache. It's Calatache now. 3 on 2, 3 on 3, 4 on 3. Calatache drive. Course over. Calatache move again. Rebound on Samoy. Samoy bang! Bang! Samoy! 15 seconds. 10. Rararabaya. Jeffrey. Foul. Foul on number 17 on Raisin. It's third on Adams NU. It's first on Raisin. 2 free throw shot for Jeffrey. 4 seconds. In and out.
4 second.
32, 36.
Wala foul.
And for second quarter, score is 32 against 36. Oh, bawas tayo, sir. Kakasawa lang natin lahat. Bawas.
Ano sa akin? Tapusan?
Full charge na kami.
Give me my money. Calatache! Ganun yung 50 mo na?
Ilan kayo?
Walang mas mid. Sige na lahat ko po.
10? Siyam.
Wala siyam lang. Siyam. Parehas lang tayo. Minus score. Walang plus.
190. 100 Adamson.
Adamson ball. It's Adamson.
100 pa. 100.
Now Manzano. Looking for Jeffrey. Escape. It's troubling violation on Jeffrey. Turnover on Anderson.
Ira.
Alba. Move. Now Anas. Too strong. Top. It's Jeffrey.
Hoy.
Manzano. Raboya. Short. Top. Manzano. Again, top. Mayanas. Now Samoy. Crossover. Brook. Gamoy guarded by Now it's Manzano's trail. Manzano now. Manzano Galdeanas. It's foul. Foul on number 7 on Anas. Second on Anas. First against NU.
Apat na yan, apat. Four fouls. Unas.
Mamaya, magagalit yan.
Foul, Anas.
High blood yan eh.
Nice, Diyos.
Eh, yata yung t-shirt. Itong yung gapon. Wala na.
Wala.
100 na t-shirt. 100. Collection mo.
Wala pa. Yan lang. Yulat na ko si Kuan.
Rabaya. Yes! On Jeffrey! It's 36 to 35. It's a 1-point lead on you.
Oh no. Salas, bang bang!
Mitsu!
Bang!
Para!
Second violation on Anas.
It's okay, Anas! It's okay!
Now the hitman Navarro. 3-second violation on Rabaya. Back-to-back turnover on Anderson and NU. Same ball. It's 10 to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot.
Oh yeah!
Whoa! It's 37. 38. Manzano. It's Manzano. 38 to 37. It's 1-point lead on NU. Samoy. Looking for Salas. Alba. 14 to shoot. Eight seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot.
Madalit kasi.
Samoy. Rebound on Raraboya. Jeffrey, 1-1 may Samoy. Looking for Manzano. Big. Manzano. Is it 8? Datu. Datu now. It's Datu. Datu Bopa. Foul on number 13 on Salas. Second team foul on NU.
Salas first.
First against number 13 on Salas. Basket timeout rep.
Got the points! Wala ka pang points! Wala talaga.
Samoy. Now Salas. Alba. Paper shot. Blocked by the hitman. It's timeout on NU. It's 5 minutes and 14 seconds for our third quarter. First match for our UAAP category of Basketballista. And we'd like to thank our sponsors. TUI Abu Dhabi, The Inkers, Coral Sports, Basketballista, and 6 to go, Abu Dhabi. Pwede na mag-sub, sir. Pwede na mag-sub.
Kuya Bermudez, Navarro, Lee,
Kasing kininaw kanina.
Salas, Sumalde, Penetrante.
Now the hitman, Rob, the hitman block! What a block! Kami pa penetrante.
Labas na kuya!
10 to shoot, 10 seconds to shoot.
Jeff. Rabuya!
Raboya! Now 39 to 38. It's a 1-point lead now on Adamson.
Naiwan na.
Kalache, crossover bomb! Bang! Kalache! 40 to 39.
40,
It's a 1-point lead back to NU. Now Lethal Weapon Lee. Nice pass on Jeffrey coming from Raboya. 51 to 41. It's 1-point lead now on Adamson. Now Kalache to Salas. Kalache looking for Alba. Outside. Nice pick to stop. Blocked by the hitman. Now Raboya. Guarded by Kalache. Raboya is steal by Alba. It's 3-on-1. For Alba drive. Yes on Alba. 42 to 41 now. 1-point lead back to NU. The hitman, Navarro, the hitman is foul. Alo number 32, Pinitrante.
Penetrante for...
Person Pinitrante, third on NU.
Kunin mo yung jersey mo ba? Kaya Gerald kasi.
Saan?
Mag-jersey doon.
Ayan!
Bukas na yung jersey mo, nandun na. Sagpuan. Kunin ko yung bukas tilo rin.
Yun, nakuha din!
40 to all, it's 40 to all.
Bawi tayo, bawi! Angat!
3 minutes and 30 seconds. Salas. Again too strong. Now rebound on Adamson. Now the Lethal Weapon Lee.
Balik! Posisyon, Jeff!
Lethal Weapon Lee. Hitman. The hitman now. The outside Raboya is still under Barbares. Time to shoot.
Tirali!
Lethal Weapon Lee. Bang! On the Lethal Weapon Lee. 45 to 42. Two minutes and 50. Alba. Short. Rebound on Raboya. Now Bermúdez. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. The hitman portray too strong. Rebound on Raboya. Now it's substitution rep sub.
Bawi!
Matapon na.
Oh, it's Alba. 2 minutes. $45 to 44.
Wag!
10 to shoot. Raboya. Sumalde. Alba. Move, drive. Looking for Salas. Short. Samoy. Still on the position. It's 1 minute and 24 seconds. Lee, turnover on Adamson. 1 minute and 19 seconds. Substitution up, sub rep.
Welly, body check mo.
1 minute and 14. Short.
Nice!
1 minute.
Ligay!
Raboya. It's 49 to 44. Basket count and 1. Foul on Samoy. It's second on Samoy. Warning for penalty and NU. It's 52 seconds. Short. Substitution left, stop.
Siyempre, Jip. Tayo ka muna. Rabuya muna. Diyan ka lang.
May abang south ah. Pagod na yun. Naiba na yung ring ngayon.
40 seconds. 35. Bang! Bang! On Sumalde.
Hey, angat. Huwag mula.
20 seconds.
Mula le. Hey.
Lethal weapon ni Pa!
Landing spot.
Foul on number 7, Anas.
Anas.
And you over the limit penalty.
Anas third.
It's 3-point repeat throw bad. The lethal weapon league.
Apat yan le.
Apat.
40, 50 to 47.
Okay.
51-47, 13 seconds. Last free throw. Ready, rebound.
May shot mo yan le. May bago ka sapatos. Pag uwi. Yun.
It's 3 out of 3 coming from the lethal weapon league. 10 seconds.
Ay, score.
5. It's foul. 1 second. First team foul on Adamson. It's act of acting. Foul on number 30, Bermudez. No time out. No time. 2 free throw. I'm gonna check.
Oh, binalti ba?
Oh, syempre foul.
Time now. No time left. For third quarter. 2 free throw for Kalatuche. $52 to 48. It's only 4-point lead on Adamson. Fourth quarter ready. Last quarter. And you ball. Last quarter. Kalatuche, signature shot, too strong, rebound top. It's the little weapon league.
Nice one.
Whoa! It's the little weapon now, 54. Against the 48, 6-point lead on Adamson. Anas. Kalatuche. Still on the hitman ng Baro. The hitman baseball pass to Nansangits Manzano. 56 to 48. It's an 8-point lead on Adamson. Raisin, short. Rebound by Anas. Pinitante. Yes, on Pinitante. 50 to 56. Only 6-point lead on Adamson. Now Lee. Looking for the hitman, Navarro. Back to Lee. Short. Now Anas. Pass to Kalatuche. Kalatuche for 3. Short, top, rebound on Kalatuche now. Back to Anas. Raise it. Too strong. Rebound ng Pira. Bang! On Peralta. It's 52. And it's 56. Manzano. Drive. It's foul. Substitution rep, sub rep. Foul on number 32. On Pintante. First on NU.
Di pa yung nakashoot mo rin, may isama.
Mamaya, pag-call mo sa kaya. Mamaya, silin mo na.
7 minutes and 48 seconds.
Shoot mo!
Raboya, Raboya, Raboya! Foul! Foul on number 32 on Pinitrante. It's second team foul against NU.
Second personal.
Second personal foul on Pinitrante. Basket substitution tayo mamaya. Rep. Basket substitution.
Babaw ng kamay nyo. Pininger mo eh. Ano gagawin? Kaya ba eh?
Chaprap substitution. 57 against 52. It's a 5-point lead on Adamson.
Nicely ah. Nakakasit na yung test mo. Kapag kasi lagi wag pa palagi sundo.
432. Up to you. Abet! Abet!
Salas.
Tira yan! Ita! Oh!
Kalatiche. 12 to shoot.
Tira! Tira mo!
Salas. Racing. Salas again. Against short. Top. Salas. Third time around. Short again. Rebound on the hitman. Same ball. Substitution rep. Sub rep. Sub rep sub. Peralta out. Rising out. Rebound on Rara Rahoya. Baseball pass again, Manzano! 59 to 52, it's 7-point lead now, Adamson.
Ala.
Nice pass, Alba. Nice boom by Alba. Steal by NU. Kalatuche. 3-on-2, boom. Nice fake, drive. Salas. Samoy. Short, top. Alba. It's line ball. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Only 5-point lead on Adamson. 59 against the 54.
Relax, relax. Huwag mo madali.
Fourteen to shoot. Top rebound. Kalatuche. Short against Samoy. Raboya. It's 61 to 54. It's 7-point lead on Adamson.
Yan! Ano pare ha? Hawak, 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 hawak! Ikaw, ikaw!
Regulation timeout. On NU. It's his first time out of the game. It's NU Adamson. 54 against the 61. Last 3 minutes and 57 seconds for our last quarter.
Hoy, anin lang yan, kunti lang.
And the winner of this match will advance to the quarterfinals game. Kalatuche. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Kalatuche! 57-61. Just 4-point lead on Anderson. The Hitman Navarro, Manzano. 1-1 by Salas, 10 to shoot.
Nice. Nice.
Oh, it's two. 63 to 57, 3 minutes.
Ground. Alba, left side, Alba.
Bang! On Salas, it's 63 to 63-point lead on Anderson.
Dito, labas tayo, labas.
Now the Hitman, 14 to shoot. Rebound by Savoy. Kalatuche. 1-1, Kalatuche. Bang! Time out. On Adamson. It's 63 to 62, 1-point lead on Adamson. And timeout is brought to you by Color Sports. Basketballista. Tui Abu Dhabi. And the Inkers. And we'd like to greet our viewers for tonight. It's De La Cruz Anthony from Mexico.
Pampanga. Mexico.
And to our Gary Nalgon, Coach Gary, now watching the game. 10 seconds to shoot, 10 seconds to shoot.
And you.
Oh, it's a new ball, and you.
Last touch kayo, Mark. Nakita ko.
Hindi nakita ng referee.
Yung taas pa, yung taas.
2 minutes. Salas. Top. Sumbalde. Too strong. Sabay. Kalatuche. Blank by Raraboya. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Hitman. The Hitman pass foul.
Okay, dalawa. Ay, wala.
Foul on number 14, Kalatuche. Third, team foul on NU.
Third person.
Third personal foul on number 14 on Kalatuche.
Just, ate, wala.
62 to 63. Now the Hitman, nice defense. It's traveling violation on the Hitman. Nice defense on NU. 63 against to 62. Only 1 point lead by Adamson. Kalatuche, guarded by 2. Alba, Salas, one by 2. Back to Kalatuche. Now Kalatuche for 3. In and out, rebound on the Hitman. Baseball pass, Manzano, steal ang Kalatuche. Again, steal by steal. It's jump ball, it's Adamson ball. Adamson ball.
Aro. Bula natin, bula. Aro.
It's Adamson ball. 1 minute, 18 seconds. 63 against the 62. Only 1 point lead by Adamson.
Fourth quarter kayo sa inyo. Wala tayong jump ball, sir. Walang jump ball.
Kilos.
Manzano. Too deep. Alba. Lee. It's foul. Foul on Alba. First on Alba. Warning for penalty against NU. 52 seconds.
Oh, salta, oh.
Lee, labas, Lee!
Spanzano! 10 to shoot! Whoa! 42 seconds, 42!
Ayan, so clear.
1 point lead now on Adamson. It's substitution rep, sub rep. Substitution.
Defense na lang tayo.
Kalatuche. 35 seconds. 14 to shoot. Savoy. Alba. 23 seconds, 23.
Okay lang para ano, hindi pumasok, basta tira nyo.
Ayan.
20.
Pasok!
10 seconds. 5. 2 seconds, 2.
Wala penalty.
Penalty left, penalty.
Oh, ito penalty.
23 seconds left, 23 seconds. Now, shot clock. Time out on Adamson. It's last 2 seconds. And you now on penalty.
Hayaan mo na, hayaan mo na.
Yung isa lang dalawa.
Dalawa time out yun, dalawa.
Lee, dito ka na, Lee. Dalawa, Lee, kita, Lee.
Box out na, box out. Anong paulo?
Wala tayong foul.
2 seconds, 2. Basket timeout, ref. Basket timeout. Timeout on NU. It's 64 against the 62.
Ilan foul? Ilan foul kami?
Oh, may pagkatalo pa sila, oh. Laki
Yeah.
siya to. Dapat din niya na siya.
64 to 62. Only 2 seconds.
Ah, yun si Alba. Sana sinip na lang niya kanina. Wrong discard eh.
2 seconds. One second, 1 second. First team foul on Adamson, 1 second.
Bang!
And now for game, our winner is Adamson, 64 against the 62.